Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of love you.
Hi my girlies, it's your girl Tiera.Amber and welcome back to my channel. First things first, I would like to tell y'all Happy New Year. This is my first official video of 2025 and I'm just so excited. It's been a minute since I actually did a real intro this time, and let me go ahead and talk to my girlies. Happy New Year. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope that this year has started off on the right foot for all y'all, and guess what, if it hasn't, there's still time to change it. There's no better time than the present to change whatever situation that you're in. I know that y'all see a difference in my background. I am doing a whole room transformation that I could get better quality content. And I just feel like I needed a change for 2025. I needed to change up my scenery. If you are interested in seeing more details about my room transformation, I am filming the whole entire thing for you guys. It's gonna be a two-part series that I'm working on. And you like all things girly and decor and organization, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell so that you can be notified when I post that video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing yet again another quick weave tutorial. This time it's a little bit different though. I did a dual part quick weave. As you can see, I have my signature side part with curls. This can turn into a middle part if I wanted to. I styled it in the side part, so the middle part isn't really flat right now. Y'all get the idea. This is my first time ever doing something like this. Just say I like it. I really like it. I definitely will do this again. Sponsor for today's video is Quickweave Hair. They sent me 3 22-inch bundles I used to achieve this look. These bundles are fire. If you're looking for some high quality bundles, I highly recommend Quickweave Hair. They are so soft, they're so buttery, they're definitely true to length. I did and I layered it. Y'all see the body of this hair. It's just such high quality. The luster is beautiful. The curls that it's giving is beautiful. I love everything about this hair and I can't wait to see how well it holds up. If you're interested in this hair and how I did this dual part quick weave, please keep on watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're up all 2025. I really want to get more personal with you guys. All I do on this channel is really hair tutorials. You guys really don't know the real me. I want to get into other types of videos in 2025. If you like my vibe, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and just be a part of the family. I am so excited for what this year has to bring. Let's get on to the video.
Can you rock with me?